Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel friends. In this video, I am gonna tell you about how to use dual apps app cloner in your Realme smartphone. I will tell you in this video. So let's start the video friends. So first I am making the clone of you can see there are two Instagram showing. So let's make it another. So first let's open this phone manager application. You have to tap on that, scroll down, there are lots of tools, click on that more feature and you will see you can see the app cloner feature. You have to just tap on it. You can see Instagram is enabled and you can see there are some of the applications are now this. So you can see I have enabled the Fitbit. So you can see there are two Fitbit apps. This is the one and this is the clone version of that. So you can run your second account on it. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks videos. See you next time.